As Pi Network gets ready to deploy its open primary network, more than 1.9 billion tokens have been moved. The decentralized cryptocurrency project Pi Network, which is rapidly growing, is getting ready to unveil its open mainnet sooner than anticipated. The core team recently disclosed that a significant amount of Pi tokens have already been transferred to MAINNET wallets as part of this preparation to go live. The majority of you are probably asking how this relates to the MAINNET launch, so kindly sit back and watch this video while I clear up any misunderstandings. Welcome back to CryptoConnex. We are glad to have you back. If you are new here, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you get updated whenever we post similar videos relating to Pi Network or cryptocurrency at large. As always, we have resumed our daily giveaway of 30 Pi coins. To become that lucky winner, simply comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji. Good luck to everyone, and let's begin. Guys, let's start the celebration already, as Pi tokens worth more than 1.9 billion have been successfully transferred to MAINNET wallets. The project's developers view this as a significant accomplishment because it demonstrates the community's enthusiastic support and participation. By allowing users to convert their existing Pi Network tokens to MAINNET, which will in no time be ready for use. It also proves that the migration process was successful. Furthermore, according to the core team, the locked prize has received a commitment of almost 1.4 billion Pi tokens. This implies that they will be these tokens used to network and reward early adopters, supporters who aid the Pi Network's expansion and success. A crucial tool for rewarding network activity and ensuring that the value of Pi tokens is fairly distributed among its stakeholders is the locked reward. The Pi Network has advanced steadily since its launch in 2019, and more than 38 million users have already signed up on the platform. The project's objective is to create a more open and accessible Bitcoin-like environment where anyone can take part and profit in the nearest future. Without the need for energy-intensive mining, the Pi Network's stellar consensus algorithm enables quick and secure transactions. With the open MAINNET launch, users will be able to start using MAINNET tokens for in-person transactions and apps, marking an important turning point for the Pi Network. The core team says they are committed to making sure that all Pi Network users experience a seamless transition, and they will keep providing updates on the launch's development. The transition of wallets to the MAINNET was a resounding success, the Pi Network core team said in a significant update. In less than 23 hours, 16,272 wallets were migrated to the MAINNET, according to the most recent data. This is a significant development for the Pi Network community because the network's journey toward becoming a completely decentralized blockchain depends on its inclusion in the MAINNET. The Pi Network community's commitment and enthusiasm are evident from the successful migration of so many wallets in such a brief amount of time. The last step before the Pi tokens are fully functional on the Pi Network is to move them from the testnet to the MAINNET. To ensure a seamless and effective transfer Pi Network coins, users have been asked to relocate their wallets in batches for a number of weeks. Additionally, according to the most recent Pi core team update, 985 million Pi tokens have been transferred to the MAINNET. This significant accomplishment brings the Pi Network one step closer to its goal of creating a decentralized peer-to-peer platform that enables users to own their own digital assets. The update also stated that there are 642 Pi tokens on average in each wallet. This demonstrates how involved and active the Pi Network community is, as many of its members have sizable holdings of Pi tokens. At least half of the pioneers must have completed their KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer procedures, in order for the MAINNET to start. A blockchain-based startup called Pi Network enables users to mine Pi currency using their smartphones. Pi has recently drawn a lot of attention, and the crypto community is eagerly awaiting the launch of its main network. The team has also emphasized how crucial it is to finish KYC processes before moving on to the open network stage. All Pi teams have been asked by the team to start their MAINNET migration and conclude their KYC as soon as possible. This will speed up the network's development in the KYC and migration process. Bringing it closer to its open network term, it will also help more unconfirmed Pi holdings become transferable balances. The core team has also indicated that they are closely monitoring the KYC progress of each pioneer. All pioneers have been asked to submit invitations to their Pi teams in order to begin the KYC and MAINNET migration process. This will help individual pioneers, but it will also bring the network closer to MAINNET activation. This information demonstrates the diligent work that the Pi Network core team has done to make sure that the MAINNET launches successfully. The committee has also advised all pioneers to exercise vigilance and stay away from any dubious MAINNET migration and KYC activity. The project already has a sizable user base, and with the launch of the MAINNET, it will be well positioned to dominate the cryptocurrency industry. The core team's concentration on meeting KYC requirements is a step toward ensuring a smooth and successful MAINNET launch. In an effort to address the issue of scalable KYC, Pi Network has reported the successful creation of a self-sustaining human validation workforce in over 209 countries. With a rapidly expanding network of more than 128,000 reliable validators, Pi Network has established itself as a global leader in KYC application validation. The network has a novel and long-term solution to the KYC scalability issue. The platform has been able to validate applications quickly and effectively without jeopardizing the accuracy of the data collected by creating a global network of validators. Pi Network's capacity to handle the rising demand for KYC applications has depended heavily on its self-sustaining human validation workforce. The platform has retained its position as a leading supplier of KYC services with over 38 million users worldwide. Pi Network wants to do so soon to significantly broaden its validator network, with aspirations to hire more than. With the help of the Pi Network's own consensus method, users may mine Pi on their mobile devices without consuming unnecessary bandwidth or exhausting their batteries. Despite the project still being in its early phases and in beta, millions of people all around the world have already expressed interest in joining this new digital currency ecosystem. The testnet user reaction has been positive, and the Pi Network team has been working hard to get the network ready for launch. As it is ready to introduce its open primary net, Pi Network is becoming more well-known. The potential benefits of an accessible and simple-to-use cryptocurrency have many people thrilled. By creating practical Pi apps, those on the cutting edge of technology can support the ecosystem for Raspberry Pi users. Utility Pi apps are a form of mobile web app. Working with the network's developers through brainstorming sessions or chats, or working with them offline, in which case your current environment might serve as the basis for creating a Pi app. If Pi Network lives up to its promises, it might revolutionize the way we think about money and grow to be a big player in the cryptocurrency market. That's all for today. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message in the mail or telegram provided below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you for watching.